Alright, welcome back, guys. It's been a little while, but this new season has started, so we immediately get into it, right? Um, give me a give me a second. I need to find my portfolio. Alright, let's see. Let's start the live server with the index. Alright. Um, let's see what we have. So one thing what we need to update is the goal template. Cannot get goal. Should exist. Schedule. Hmm. Is this the right one? How did I open it? I opened it the wrong way, I think. Let me see. Custom link tree. No, I need to open the site. That's why. So let's stop the live server and let's open with code. Close this one. Alright. Since we have index here, we're gonna open this with live server. Okay. And now it should work. Good, good. Okay, great. We should replace that one. So let me go to Notion real quick. Notion. Notion. Okay, awesome. 1 second. Okay. God damn it. It's been acting weird lately. Okay. Alright, we're back. So let's go to quarter tree. And we have to undo these strikes real quick. Make a screenshot and call it a day for that one. So what we're going to focus on in this stream, basically we're going to focus on a WordPress client. It's going to be a real client, but I need to update my portfolio real quick for the new season. So if someone clicks on my site, they know what they're up to, right? Not that anyone is going to click on it, just saying that, right? Let me see. Quarter three. Uh, alt back, alt back, console back. No, doesn't want to listen. Okay, no worries. Okay. Now we need to make this bigger, and it seems that we have more goals than I expected. No worries. make a screenshot of this. And it seems that I called it goal template November .png. Okay. So let's go to documents, site, images. Great. And let's see how that looks on the site. Great, definitely needs some more width, right? Let's work on the width a little bit. So let's go to the index, or the goal I should say, and let's see what the image is. Image scale, image scale, and let's do 325 rem. Does it work? Not sure. How are we gonna do that? Okay, what if I do like 600? What happens? Okay, it does work. Good. Okay. No worries. It can be a little bit smaller. I'm not sure what the smallest device width is, but if you don't have, okay, let me go to the iPhone device real quick. So we have here dimensions, and SE is 375, XR is 414, 390. Okay, so 390. Yeah, 390 is fine. Yeah. And then we have the min width, and then if we have a min width, then the image can scale differently. So let's see. Then we could just say like 7 uh 766 pixels. Okay. So let's go to just responsive. It's fine. Uh I can center it. Let me think. Okay. Display flex. Align items center. Justify content center. Okay. Something like this. Now let's go to the XR again. And let's remove the margins. The top margin is fine. It seems that we also have, yeah, okay, it's fine. But then I do want to, let's do this then. Let me see. image scale. Let's do it here then. Yeah. And then here, I did say overflow hidden. Yeah, it's fine. I like it this way. It's not perfect. I'm not looking for perfectionism. But yeah, it works for me, right? Go to write your string this. Okay. 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 Alright, looks good. I'm happy with this result. Let's update the site and let's go to the other stuff. Deploys. Let's go to index and let's stop the live server. Okay, and let's see the live site. Doesn't exist? Okay, that's not good. Start again. Okay, I know why it doesn't exist. So deploys. Okay, how about this one? Okay, this is the live site. Okay. 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 Everything seems to be working. Okay, I'm fine with that. Awesome. So we got that fixed. Now, next thing is um actually I have to make the video, but let's work on the WordPress. Let's log in. We're just gonna check things out. We're gonna take a lot of notes. That's what we're gonna do. So let's go. Premium web hosting expires on March. Okay. Your website online because your domain is suspended. Okay, manage domain. Okay. 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 Give me a second. Let me text the owner for a second, and then we're gonna work on the site. Okay. typed it. Alright, let's go get into it. So, okay, the domain is suspended. That's not a big issue right now. Maybe it is, but we'll see. Okay, good. Uh, let's go to the premium web hosting. Let's go to the WordPress admin. Okay. Please update now. I actually don't want to update because it will bring me more problems. Okay, data updater, updater. Okay, let's just look how everything yeah, visit site. Okay, that works. Let's new tab to the right and copy link. Okay, let's see how everything is looking like. And we're gonna take a lot of notes. Okay, okay, homepage, about us, our services, pricing, contact us. Okay, we can use all the stuff. Okay. Uh, yeah, let's go to the WordPress admin again. Let's go to Elementor. No, actually, let's go to Pages and what services home. This is the one, right? There are two homes. That's not good. Yeah, let's remove this one. Uh, header. Okay. Header. I cannot edit the header. Oh, I can. Okay, this is an image. Optimize, hyperphone to image optimizer. Okay. Okay, that's not gonna work. No worries. Okay, let's make it smaller. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do a logo name. Okay, let's go header and choose image. Let's upload, upload files. Okay, logo. Great, and let's use that logo. Select, select. Okay, So we have like a background image. We want to do something about this. How did I do this? Okay. Let's go to section actually. Let me see the layers. What is this section? Okay. Let's go to column. Column. Okay, so the section has a background. Yeah, and I want to change that background. Okay. Let's think about that. Let's go to stock photos and let's go to okay. Um, okay, let's be honest here. Let's go to, how do you call this site again? You have pixels. It's Pixabay. Yeah, Pixabay. Com. What I want to do is cleaning. Okay, let's do indoor cleaning. Indoor cleaning. Let's actually also do this one. Something like this. Okay, great. Go away. Weird as. Let me see. What is this? These are sponsored? Okay. Not the types I'm looking for, to be honest. Hmm. Could be. Ooh. Okay. I downloaded it. Let's see the other ones. Okay. There are many pictures, right? So many pictures. Why are they so bad? Okay, let's go to Shuttershock, Unsplash. Let's try Unsplash. This assumes child labor. I do like it though. Some of the pictures are dark. Ooh, very good photo. Okay, we're gonna use that one. Uh, yeah, where we are. Okay, so yeah, let's do that one. Let's go to here and let's go to the background. Let's choose an image. Let's upload an image. And I don't see it. Where did I save it though? Here. Not really. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Where did I save it? Oh, I did save it on desktop. Select. Okay. Doesn't look bad. We can remove the drop, but okay, I don't see it though. Oh, is this one? Yeah. Select. Okay, I need to work on some scaling. No. Okay, it has a scaling issue. Default. Let's do auto. Let's do fill. Okay. Uh, Contain. Okay. That's very unfortunate to be honest. Maybe we can do something about this. Mm, that's fine. Okay. So we on the default on the whole page we have like global styles, so site settings. Let's see global colors. So this global color is probably gonna be this global color, and as primary, I'm not sure yet, but save the changes and let's see the site. Okay, okay, that's already way better. Um, okay, so this primary color is a bit annoying to be honest. Let's see what happens if I do it white. Okay, that is a problem. So primary should something be like gray or something like this. It can be darker. I would say maybe something like this. And the text is going to be black. Save changes. Okay, so you have to work on these specifically. Okay, let's check the. I see here like a bit annoying hover. So let's go back to the site, and I want to, when I go to the overall site, which is going to be layers. Okay, not this one, which does have a background. There's one problem. It has a okay, with a viewport, blur, effects related to background overlay. Okay, okay. I want that one gone. Okay, publish. Should have done this one. Okay. Okay, that is an issue. No worries. I'm gonna go here, go to the background. Let's go to the background overlay and let's just entirely remove it. Background overlay. CSS filters. Okay, so it does work. I actually don't want anything. How am I gonna do this? Hmm. Okay, let's go to the background. View entire page, mouse effects, scale, blur, transparency, back to default. Okay, and we're gonna go background overlay, and we're gonna pick black. But what I wanna do, don't wanna make it as strong as is. Okay, this one can go actually. So we have this one. Okay, I'm Great. Now let's go to refresh this. We'll see. Oh, okay, this is how it works. Okay, no worries. Uh, leave, customize, and it's gonna customize with this one. I don't want that. Annoying. Okay, so I think it's best then to open this one. Let's go to pages and let's go to edit. Not this edit, the other edit. Edit with Elementor. Oh, it's gone again. Okay. Transparency. Okay. And let's go here. Let's go to the background overlay. And I think if we go to global styles, so here, global styles and global colors, let's make it lighter to be honest. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Okay, that fucks everything up. Or doesn't. Okay, the fade in is extremely annoying, so the fade in is not gonna be present. So um, let's go to layers and click this one. Yeah. Are you aware that I'm on this one? It doesn't want to do anything anymore. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, let's refresh the page. Everything is fucked up. What happened? Okay. View page. Okay, better. Okay, so this hover, we need to work on this. So let's go to globals then. Okay. Style. Okay, just some background overlay. Let's actually work on that. instead of making it this one, let's make it white. Okay, let's go to publish. Okay, great. Yeah, let's go to global styles again. So let's go here, here. Yeah, site settings, global fonts. Okay, colors is fine. Discard. I did not make any changes. Okay, so this one needs to be definitely this one. Save changes. I would say even darker. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Great. Now let's go back. No. Okay. So we're back here. No, we want to be back here. Okay. Great. And one of the things that we need to do, I want to see why it's cut off. There's like a shape divider or something. No. Border. Is there like a border? No, there's no border. Background overlay. Background. Overlay. Blood mode is normal. So what is this exactly? So okay, this one. Okay, so it is on the whole section. Just don't know where it's coming from. Motion effect responsive attributes custom CSS. There's no custom CSS. Okay. Comes gap, stretch, center, full, scale, background overlay, border, shape divider. Maybe it's coming from the other section. So okay, border, no, shape divider, no, advanced. Custom CSS also no. Where would this come from? That's the question. Let's go to the header. So we have the section here, which is this section. I just want to make it white. Background, classic, color. Let's make it white. Or how about create new global style? Pick color sampler. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I actually want to make this full width. So let's go to. Okay, there's no custom CSS. Layout. Vertical alignment. Column width. Okay. Boxed. Full width. Okay. I wanted to fill and it doesn't fill. Let's see why that is. Vertical line default. Height. Column width. column gap, height, vertical line, overflow, hidden obviously. Let's do this one. Okay, here we don't have anything. Okay, let's publish. Let's see. Yeah, and then let's actually remove the construction part. So let's go back to just the page. Let's go to layers. Okay, that's this one. I just wanna set it to overflow hidden. It doesn't hide, why not? Yeah, okay. Let's see. I I hide it. Why it's still there? Okay. That's not the way you hide it then. Let's see where we can hide it somewhere else. Mm, custom CSS. Okay. Display hidden. I cannot do this. Add your own custom CSS. Yeah, that's what I did. Display none. Sorry. Okay, this is some kind of object. Use custom CSS. Add a selector prefix. Let me see how that works. Okay. Okay. We need to use the selector. No worries. Let's do that then. And we're just gonna set it for hidden. Okay, so we're gonna say display is gonna be none. Okay, so that is hidden. Publish. Okay. Now we have an issue with the placement of the navigation. I actually don't want to edit it right now. The only thing I want to edit is this one, which is this column. I want to have a background. Let me see how I do this. Okay, normal background type. Let's do white smoke. Okay, and then yeah, the text inside is gonna be very difficult, but let's go to style. HTML field label column gap row gap. Okay, I don't. Do I have the wrong? No, I do have the. Okay, so let's do then custom CSS. We're gonna say the same. We're gonna say um, what was it? Color, and it's gonna be black. Doesn't respond. Should respond though. Okay. Mm, let's think about it for a second. Content, buttons, email shape setting, additional options, form ID, emails, collect submission, get appointment, form fields. Okay. Input size small button. Okay, let's go to the style. Text color is white. Okay, I want it to be black. Okay, is there anything else that I see here? Yeah, there's like a field, and the text color also need to be black. And then you have these lines. Let's go to content. Mm, it's white though. Field button, messages, steps. I think this is it. Okay, not this one. Not here. Text color. color, it's fine. Border type, none. No, okay, that doesn't matter. Mm, text color, typography, color. I'm not sure how I get rid of this part. Well, the only way to get rid of this part is making it darker. I think. Because a form is like kind of a special field. And I haven't seen this before, so I'm trying to find the specific part. Border. Not here. Not here. Let's think about it. This is a field. This is a field. And this is the column. Maybe it's here. Like a border or something. Nope. Okay. Yeah, it's really the form, right? Because if I, yeah, okay, it's really the form. Field. Yeah, it's really a border, but I just don't see it, to be honest. Okay, that means I have to do another color. It's fine. It's fine. It's not a big deal. If I do this, it's completely gone. And if I do this, okay, so it's this one. Um, let's think about it. No, white is too much, right? Yeah, and then we can change the button, to be honest. Okay, sure, let's do that. Button. So let's go here. Let's go to button. And there's also a hover state. Generic text, get appointment. Okay, it is this one. Four fields. Maybe in the styles. Okay, let's go to button. And let's do this. Yeah, like this. Okay, great. Now, we did that. We have 5 minutes left, so let's see what we can do here. I'm not gonna edit the text yet. Okay, there are options. We're not gonna edit the text. Let me see. What can we do? I think it's useful if we are going to. Ooh, you have to work on the hovers as well here. That's fine. Um, let's see. Okay, let's work on a header. Save and leave. See how it looks. So I don't like the header in a sense of it's not full width and it's not on the top. So we definitely need to work on that. Okay. So there's probably some kind of margin going on. So this is style, this is advanced. So okay, there's a 200 bottom. Okay. We want that. Okay. Top is going to be immediately on top. And there's padding. Obviously, I don't want to have any padding. Okay. That's great. Let's publish. Okay. And let's work on these hovers real quick and then call it a day for this one. So, yeah, let's go back to this one and let's go to this one. Alright. So we have a specific hover here going on. So let's go to the layers. Let's go here. Let's see what's going on. Intersections. Okay, no, not this one. This this one. Okay, let's close this one. Close. Okay. Open. Okay, so we have 3 sections, and each section, when you hover over them, they change. Okay, so I think we should go here and we should go to the hover state. The normal one is just a black color. We don't want to have this, but we do want to have some kind. Well, you know what? It can be some kind of this color. The problem is the effect, right? Okay, that's a bit annoying because if I do that, then it doesn't add an overlay. So this makes the use case obsolete. So this is the normal one, and on hover it reveals. We should not have this. So mm, but maybe it's fine actually. But it should be a different color. Um, no, let's remove that hover. Let's just make the same image here. Okay, so it's the cleaning one, cleaning lady. Okay, select. Okay. This is center center. Okay, let's see the hover state. And cover. Okay, cover. Okay. And then what we're gonna do on a normal one, we are going to add this one. And there's something wrong. Um, Let me think about it. Let's see. Okay, it definitely needs something. I think it's best to have a background overlay in this case. Okay, so we're going to go background overlay, this one. Gonna make it completely black, and then hover is gonna be, yeah, something like this, right? Like we can make it 0.8. Okay. Okay, I think that's it for the first part. Let me see if I can quickly figure out where this top stuff is coming from. It's a very annoying part. I will give it 2 minutes for this. Okay, let's go to section. This is the section. And shape divider, none. Bottom, none. Crazy. I see. They're pretty fun, actually. Maybe I should actually apply one. Okay, mountains. What the hell? Okay, I like the other one. Yeah, this is fine. Okay. Okay. So that is it for the first part. It's nothing special really, but we're gonna work on more stuff here. I'm probably gonna make it more dark and yeah. It actually should be in reverse, right? But it's fine. Alright guys, thank you so much. I will see you on to the next one. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see me make it 600 today in 7 years. And I'll see you. Yeah, laters. Laters. Later.